sure yet, but I'm leaning toward right there.
This is good and deep right here to fish in. Look at the mountain laurel, Mike.
What?
The mountain laurel.
Right between the rocks, right there. Right where you go.
Woo!
Oh, Scott, I think you can go right through the middle.
There's a cave. Big one.
You gotta get Scott coming through.
I gotta get turned around.
Right through the middle, right between those rocks.
That's Admiral Halsey. Come on.
Right there. Look at that.
Hey, look at that cave right there. Crawl up there and see. Let me take your picture.
This will tell me a place dry to stay.
Yeah. Here's some more down here. What are they doing? Fishing?
Rodney's coming down. You saw a fish jump right there.
See all that mountain laurel right there?
I don't know what that is.
That green bush hanging over the water. It'll bloom.
Rodney, right through the middle. You know what mountain laurel is?
That right there. You won't find it in the low part of South Carolina.
Well, you keep pointing, and there's an entire woods.
Right, that piece hanging over that rock right there.
It looks like a magnolia.
And right there, yeah. The leaves are smaller. See all this up in here? That's Mountain Laurel.
David, this is the second coolest place we've been, maybe the first.
Well, I'm glad I changed my mind. You went along with me.
It's a toss-up between this and that South Fork one.
Yeah. Well,
Just because there's something to do, we gotta pick our way through some minor rapids and stuff.
yeah. But it's just so beautiful in here.
Oh, absolutely.
It's mountainy. Here's another little old creek branch that was coming in. It's about gone now. We got some more rocks coming. Rodney just come through it.
He said, I think he's trying to get Peyton to go to the left and see if he can do it.
Come on, Peyton. Let's see you do it. There he goes. Oh, we got some more down here, Mike.